MDTech Telehealth Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to MDTech and related resources are in the description. Now, let's get straight into it. MDTech Telehealth is a HIPAA-compliant telemedicine platform designed for healthcare providers, offering secure video consultations, patient management tools, and seamless integration with electronic health records, EHRs. It's built to enhance remote patient care while streamlining provider workflows, making it a valuable tool for doctors, clinics, and healthcare organizations looking to expand their virtual care services. Features: MDTech Telehealth includes secure, high-quality video conferencing, appointment scheduling, and real-time patient data sharing to facilitate efficient virtual care. The platform integrates with existing EHR systems, allowing providers to access patient records without switching between multiple systems. It also offers customizable templates for different medical specialties, making it useful for primary care, behavioral health, chronic disease management, and post-operative follow-ups. Additionally, MDTech provides billing and reimbursement support to help practices navigate insurance claims for telehealth services. Who it's for: MDTech is designed primarily for healthcare providers, including independent practices, specialty clinics, and larger healthcare organizations that need a reliable telemedicine solution. It's ideal for doctors who want a seamless virtual care experience without disrupting their current workflows. However, it's not a direct-to-consumer platform, meaning patients cannot sign up on their own. They need to connect with a provider using MDTech. Strengths: the biggest advantage of MDTech is its deep integration with EHRs and practice management systems, allowing for a streamlined experience for healthcare providers. It ensures data security with full HIPAA compliance and provides customizable features tailored to different specialties. The built-in billing and reimbursement support simplifies the process for providers seeking insurance coverage for telehealth visits. Additionally, the platform's intuitive interface makes it easy for both doctors and patients to use. Weaknesses: the main limitation of MDTech is that it's not a standalone telehealth service for patients. Access is only available through a participating healthcare provider. While the platform is feature-rich, some providers may require initial training to maximize its functionality. Additionally, pricing can vary based on the size and needs of a practice, making it more expensive for smaller providers compared to basic telehealth solutions. Final verdict: MDTech Telehealth is a powerful tool for healthcare providers looking to enhance their virtual care offerings. Its strong EHR integration, secure platform, and customizable features make it a top choice for medical professionals, though it's not a direct-to-patient solution. If you're a provider seeking an efficient telehealth system, MDTech is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.